What's up, friends? Are you looking for a long-handled pet hair removal brush? This is basically for stairs and carpet that have a lot of pet hair. And if you're a pet owner like myself that has several pets, then you know how it collects on your stairs. It collects in areas that are hard to actually scrape up and clean. So this claims that it can basically, like magic, pull up the hair out of the carpet, the rugs, everything like that. So I'm unboxing it for myself and my family and to use, you know, in my household where I have 2 dogs, a cat. Unfortunately, we lost one of our cats recently. Sometimes I want to say 2 cats because I'm so used to saying it. But anyway, I'm unboxing this and I figured I'd go ahead and share this with you and give you a better impression of what this looks like and if it's any good or not. So let's go ahead and assemble this. So just like we got 3 different poles here, so it is adjustable in length. Like for example, you probably don't want to use it just like this, but you could attach one of these and then the end cap here. So if we take this out and if you attach the end cap here, now you'd have basically a shorter version of this. You don't have a really long, like this one would be for maybe for many people, I might even use it at this length. So just 1 bar, but if we wanted to, we can basically extend this out. So I believe it goes like this, and that's with 2 bars. Actually, hold on. Okay, so this one here that doesn't have a blue cap, like this one here doesn't have a blue cap on it. This is the last one that you want to attach. So you actually want to start with one with a blue cap if you're going to extend it out. If you're going to have it as a smaller hand brush, then you're just going to use this one and use the end cap. If you're going to have this be a longer extended brush, which I didn't realize at first, you have to use one with one of these blue caps so that then you can extend it by screwing these in. There's one more right here, and this thing is now a very, very long brush. I can put the end cap on, and now I can let you see the fine details on this brush up close. Even like this thing reaches really far. I could get into like high to reach places, which I don't know why you would want to do that with this. I think this is more maybe so you don't have to bend down. Yeah, you'd have to like maybe use it in a way where you don't have to bend down. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and use it with probably this brush head. It does come with these other brush heads. Here is one. Actually, this is just a handheld brush to use. So this itself, I feel like would be really useful. You could put this in maybe the car if you take your pets with you. I know my dog loves being in the car, but he gets it hairy sometimes. So maybe if it's like a fabric upholstered seat, you know, you could use this in your car. You could also maybe use this on furniture. It's a little bit smaller when compared to the bigger brush head. You do have this here as well, which looks to be maybe a cleaner. I believe that's what this is for. Let me see. Yeah, the instructions don't really specify, but I believe this is for actually cleaning this. I think you could rub it up against it maybe and clean it off. Not exactly sure, but it does come with this as well. So very useful to have. And then the only other thing in here are basically these clips that you can use to hold these on the wall. So you could basically stick these on the wall and then you'd be able to put these tools neatly organized on the wall. So let's go ahead and I'll show you basically how these perform, how well they actually work inside of my home, and if they're worth grabbing or not. So let's do it. So overall, guys, it's really working well to pull out the hair from this rug. It's kind of hard to see, but this does have a ton of different hair in it. And so I feel like it's working really well. I hope this was helpful for you guys. Helps you with your cleaning and helps speed everything up for you. And I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.